Welcome to the Perfect Perception channel, where we provide insights to enrich your life. Today we delve into the world of relationships, focusing on a question many of us have asked: how do I get a partner? Today we're going to explore 5 effective strategies to help you find them. First off, it's essential to step out of your comfort zone. This mantra, while it might sound cliché, holds a profound truth when it comes to finding a partner. You see, our comfort zones are like a warm, cozy blanket on a chilly evening. They feel safe, familiar, and easy. But here's the catch: they are also limiting. Imagine your life as a book. If you only read the same page over and over again, you'd never experience the full story, right? Similarly, if you stick to your comfort zone, you'll only experience a tiny sliver of what life has to offer. The exciting, the extraordinary, the life-changing experiences often lie beyond the confines of our comfort zones. So how do we step out of our comfort zones? Well, it starts with acknowledging that it might be a bit uncomfortable at first. It's like a new pair of shoes. At first they might pinch and feel awkward, but with time they break in and you start to feel comfortable walking in them. Next, consider trying new things. If you usually spend your weekends binge-watching your favorite series, how about joining a club or attending a social event instead? If you're introverted, try striking up a conversation with a stranger. If you're always indoors, go for an outdoor adventure. Remember, the idea is to push your boundaries, to explore uncharted territories of your personality. And it's not just about doing different things, it's about thinking differently too. Challenge your beliefs, your prejudices, your fears. Ask yourself, why do I believe this, or why does this scare me? You'd be surprised how much you can learn about yourself when you start questioning your assumptions. Finally, embrace failure. Yes, stepping out of your comfort zone means you might stumble, you might fall, but that's okay. Each misstep is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become a better version of yourself. Remember, growth happens outside your comfort zone. So take that leap of faith, push your boundaries, and who knows, you might just find the partner you've been looking for. Next, ask yourself if you're truly ready for a relationship. This is a question that is often overlooked, yet it is an integral part of the process. You see, being ready for a relationship is not about having a checklist of qualities you want in a partner. It's about being emotionally prepared to share your life with someone else. To start, look inward. Recognize your emotional state and your capacity to be in a relationship. Relationships are not just about the good times, they also involve navigating through challenges, disagreements, and sometimes heartbreak. So are you emotionally stable enough to handle all these ups and downs? Another important factor is understanding your motivations. Are you looking for a relationship because you're lonely, or because you genuinely want to share your life with someone? Relationships built on loneliness or the fear of being alone often lack a solid foundation. Also, consider your personal growth. Have you addressed your own issues and insecurities? Entering a relationship with unresolved personal issues can lead to unhealthy patterns like dependency or emotional manipulation. So it's essential to work on yourself first. But how do you know if you're ready? Well, there's no definitive answer, as everyone's journey is unique. However, a good indication is when you're comfortable with who you are, and you're not seeking a relationship to fill a void or to make you feel complete. Another sign of readiness is when you can maintain your independence even while being in a relationship. You understand that a relationship is about 2 individuals sharing their lives, not losing their identities. You're ready when you can handle rejection. It's a part of life, and it's crucial to know that not every person you meet will be the right fit for you. And finally, you're ready when you can accept and love someone for who they are, not who you want them to be. You understand that everyone has flaws, and that perfection doesn't exist. Remember, there's no rush. It's okay to take your time to become the best version of yourself before sharing your life with someone else. Relationships are about growth, understanding, and most importantly, love. Ensure that you're emotionally prepared before diving into a relationship. Now let's focus on becoming the best version of you. Imagine you're a gemstone, uncut and unpolished. You have an innate value, but to truly shine, you need to be refined, shaped, and polished. That's what self-improvement and personal growth are all about. It's about maximizing your potential and bringing out your best qualities. Think about areas in your life where you'd like to improve. Maybe it's your communication skills or your physical fitness. Perhaps it's your knowledge about a certain topic or your ability to manage your time effectively. Identify these areas and set realistic, achievable goals for yourself. It's like embarking on a journey. You're setting out to explore uncharted territories of your personality and abilities, and like any journey, it's important to have a roadmap. This can be a personal development plan that outlines your goals, the steps you need to take, and the timeline for achieving them. Now let's talk about the fuel for your journey. It's your motivation. What drives you to want to become the best version of yourself? Is it a desire to be happier, to be more successful, or to have a more fulfilling relationship? Whatever it is, keep it at the forefront of your mind. It will keep you going when the going gets tough. And remember, this journey isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be times when you stumble and fall, when you take wrong turns, when you feel like giving up. But that's part of the process. Every failure is a stepping stone towards success. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow, so be patient with yourself. Celebrate your small victories. Enjoy the journey as much as the destination. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the power to shape your destiny. You have the potential to be the best version of yourself. Even as you embark on this journey of self-improvement and personal growth, don't lose sight of who you are at your core. You're not trying to become someone else. You're simply trying to become a better, more polished version of you. Remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Let's now talk about the importance of being authentic. It's a word tossed around quite a bit these days, isn't it? But what does it truly mean, especially in the context of finding a partner? Being authentic is about being true to yourself, your values, and your beliefs. You see, when you're genuine, you attract people who appreciate you for who you really are, not for a persona you've crafted. Authenticity is like a beacon, drawing in those who resonate with your true self. But how can you ensure you're being authentic? Firstly, know yourself. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and values. This self-awareness is the first step towards authenticity. It allows you to present yourself honestly without feeling the need to put on a mask. Secondly, express yourself. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Authenticity thrives on openness. Yes, it can be scary to open up, but remember that vulnerability is not a weakness. It's a strength that fosters connection. Thirdly, stay consistent. Authenticity isn't a one-time deal. It's about being true to yourself in all situations, not just when it's convenient or comfortable. This consistency helps build trust, a key component in any relationship. Lastly, embrace imperfection. No one is perfect, and that's okay. Authentic people acknowledge their flaws and work on them rather than hiding them. Embracing your imperfections can actually make you more relatable and approachable. If you're worried about being judged or rejected for your authenticity, remember this: not everyone will appreciate your genuineness, and that's all right. The right people, the ones who truly matter, will see and value the real you. So, in your journey to find a partner, remember to stay true to yourself. Don't compromise your authenticity for the sake of fitting in or pleasing others. Be you, unabashedly and unapologetically. In conclusion, authenticity isn't just about being honest with others. It's about being honest with yourself. It's about living in alignment with your values and beliefs. It's about letting your true self shine. Because when you do, you'll attract the right people into your life. Being genuine allows others to see the real you. Lastly, find the right platform for you. The world is teeming with opportunities to connect with potential partners, and it's all about finding the right place that suits your style and comfort level. You see, some of us are more at ease striking up conversations in a coffee shop, while others find comfort behind the screen, exploring the vast digital landscape of dating apps and social media platforms. Both avenues have their own merits. Traditional face-to-face encounters allow for a more immediate connection, a chance to feel that spark right off the bat. On the other hand, online platforms offer a wider reach, allowing you to connect with people you might not have crossed paths with otherwise. As you explore these platforms, it's essential to keep your safety and comfort in mind. Always meet in public places when you're getting to know someone new. For those preferring online platforms, ensure you're using reputable sites or apps that prioritize user safety. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. It's about finding the right fit for you. Are you an outgoing social butterfly, or do you prefer the comfort of your own space? Do you enjoy the thrill of spontaneous encounters, or do you prefer the calculated approach of online platforms? Take some time to reflect on these questions. Your answers will guide you to the platform that's right for you. Choose the platform that works best for you and your lifestyle.